this is Karen. I just finished my live on Facebook, but in case you missed it, I made a big announcement that on next Tuesday, May 5th, I am going bald. So I am cutting off all of my hair. Yes, that is what I said. I'm cutting off all my hair again. For those of you who don't know me, I do everything with a purpose. So I'm not cutting my hair off because I do not love my hair. I absolutely love my Sisterlocks. I've had them for about a year, but I am going to the next level and my hair has to go. So join me next week on Facebook Live at 7 o'clock as I go bald with a purpose. And I'll also do a 7-day challenge. So even if you don't want to go bald with me, it's okay. I would love for you to join me in the 7-day challenge. If you are interested in joining the 7-day Scalp Care Healthy Hair Challenge, be sure to subscribe at curlhouse.com, where you will be given via email each day's instructions to the challenge. Until we talk again, stay fabulous.